How to fix HVCI enabled in Valorant on Windows 11 or 10. Go to the Start menu and search for Settings. Open Settings, then search for Virus and Threat Protection, and click on it. Next, click on Device Security in the left sidebar. Then select Core Isolation Details and make sure that memory integrity is turned off. After that, restart your computer. The second method is to go into your BIOS and enable SVM mode. This can vary depending on the type of PC or laptop you're using and its model. But once you're in the BIOS, look for something called SVM mode or virtualization and make sure it is enabled. If it's currently disabled, enable it. This will turn on CPU virtualization and should help fix the problem, allowing you to play Valorant. That's it about video. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.